week I'll give you a mental exercise to help you foster your character that you can do on your own for however much or however little time. You don't even need to share your responses with me. The idea is like, because, you know, it may be embarrassing because the whole point of being a performer is you're fucking vulnerable, but like vulnerability is vulnerable, so you may not want to share it, right? So, I mean, I know it's a safe space, but that still doesn't mean you want to share, right? So, like, I want to be 100% clear. There's no pressure ever for you to share anything that you're not comfortable sharing. And the idea is not about you sharing with me. The idea is about you exploring you in a way you maybe haven't thought about you. So it's the questions are exercises in you imagining what it would be like as a performer, and they're specific, focused, detailed questions designed to evoke within you a response so that you can think about it and then take notes on it. And then and the questions build on each other each week. So the notes will inform how you build the character. So it's meant to be an exercise to help you uncover what you want and what you imagine for yourself by having you imagine things in a way that you hadn't imagined them before. There were a series of questions that can help you see you in a way you hadn't imagined. Here's question number 1. Week 1, question number 1. Here it is. You can write this down. Okay. Imagine yourself at the performance. Okay. So as you are standing there, lighting your fire, and having your friends, fans, family, friends of friends, community, whatever, these people, as they are witnessing you, what do you want them to see, hear, or feel in response to you? So that's the question. What do you want them to see, hear, feel in response to you? And this could be like a very long list, but the more detailed you are with the list, the more you can build on that later. So I mean, like that's just it's a very simple question, but you may never have thought about it. Oh, well, what are they seeing? Well, they might like, so for me, my answer is really simple. Like, I want people to see somebody having fun. I want them to see somebody being playful. I want them to see somebody skilled. I want them to see somebody that's entertaining. I want them to see somebody that can dance to the music. I want them to see somebody who plays with a fire in a death-defying way. Like, these are all the sorts of things that I want them to see. I want them to feel inspiration. I want them to feel energized. You know what I mean? So, like, I can, like, off the top of my head, I can come up with all of those things. That's what I imagine I want my audience to experience as they're seeing me in that moment, right? So this is about you doing a first position shift to you in the future and imagining them witnessing you and their experience witnessing you. So you want to tap into, like, this is a very rational exercise. What do you want them to see, feel, hear, observe, experience in experiencing you? That's it. That's the first question. That's the whole question. It's not like a hard question, except you may never have thought about it before, which makes it a hard question. Yeah. And so some part of your subconscious mind, even now, is already playing with that idea. And whether or not you ever actually consciously answer that, I imagine, even now, just this little tiny moment is going to inform the character that you built, whether or not you intend it to. So thanks for letting me into your psychology. I'm your angel of performance support.